Optional CLI arguments with Python click library option. I'm having a conundrum with the Python click library when parsing some CLI options. I would like an option to act as a flag by itself, but optionally accept string values. For example, $myscript option equals false. $myscript O option equals true. $myscript O foobar option equals foobar. Additionally, I would like the option to be eager, for example in click terms abort execution after a callback, but this can be ignored for now. When I define my arguments like this, I achieve example 1 and 2, but 3 is naturally impossible because the flag detects present/not present only. When I define my arguments like this, I achieve 1 and 3, but 2 will fail with an error. Column C option requires an argument. This does not seem like an out-of-this-world scenario, but I can't seem to be able to achieve this or find examples that behave like this. How can I define an click option that gets parsed like false when not set, true when set but without value, str when set with value?
One way that I have managed to achieve this behavior was by actually using arguments as below. I'll post this as a workaround, while I try to see if it could be done with an option, and I'll update my post accordingly. Later edit using an option. I have managed to achieve this by adding an argument to the command definition. The nargs can be removed if you only expect at most one argument to follow, and can be treated as not required. It might also be possible by putting together a context generator and storing some state, but that seems the least desirable solution, since you would be relying on the context storing your state.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.